D3 exercise 6a question number 5. The gradient of the line joining the point 9a and 2a is 2 upon a where a is not equal to 0. हमारे पास gradient वाला question है. Now first of all we must know the points. Let name them. First of all we have x a and y a. We have a point, coordinate of a is xa and ya, and let's suppose this is 9 and a, and give another bracket name b, and coordinate of b will be xb and xb and yb. This will be 2a and 1. So this is 2a and 1. Now we have a formula of gradient. We have to place a formula of gradient. This is m is equals to yb minus ya upon xb minus xa. In this question we are given the gradient, slope is given, which is 2 upon a, and yb, ya, xb, xa is already given. So now I am going to replace the alphabets with the given values. Slope m is given 2 upon a. Yb, we have yb here this is xb, this is yb is 1 and ya is a, so it will be yb, instead of yb I will write 1 minus, and instead of ya I will write a, and in the denominator instead of xb I will write 2a minus, and instead of xa I will write 9. Now as you can see that no one can easily solve. 1 cannot be subtracted from a, 2a cannot be subtracted by 9, 2 and a cannot be divisible with each other, so we do the cross multiplication here. So 2 will be multiplied with this 2a minus 9, and a multiply with 1 minus a. Now this 2 multiply with this number and as well as with this number. 2 multiply by 2a, it will gives you 2a. 2 2s are 4, 4a, and when multiply this 2 with the a, this will gives you 2a. This is 9, I guess. 2 9s are 18, it will be 18. Then a multiply by 1, this is 1a, I will write only a. When a multiply with this number, it will be minus a square. Now shift all these numbers all over there. This is 4a minus 2 9s are 18. This a is a positive form. When comes over here, it will be negative, minus a, and minus a square comes here with the positive sign. This will be a square equals to 0. Now we have a square. First write a square here. Then we have 4a and a. Subtract 4a from a, it will gives you positive 3a, then minus 18. Now we have a condition. We have a standard equation. We have to solve this equation to find the possible value of a. We have a square, so we will have two answers of a just because of this square. So I will break the middle term, which is 3a. First of all, I have 1 here. 1 18s are 18. I have to find out the factor of 18. 18 comes in the table of 1. 18 comes in the table of 2. 2 9s are 18. 18 comes in the table of 3. 3 6 are 18, and so on. Now I have to do the subtraction. Out of these three factors, I have to subtract one of the factor, and it should be answer 3. When I subtract 18 minus 1, it will gives you 17. When I subtract 9 minus 2, gives you 7. When I subtract 6 minus 3, gives you 3. So instead of 3a, I will write plus 6a and minus 3a. Come again reverse in the action. 6a minus 3a, when you do the reverse reaction, reverse जाएंगे तो 6a minus 3 will gives you 3a. So minus 18 will remain as it is. Why I have break the middle term? To make a common between these four terms. Now I want to take a common from this a and this 6a. We have a here because here in a square we have two a's. So out of two a's I have taken one as a common, and only one a is left. Out of 6a I have taken a 1a here common, and only 6 is left. Now this is 3a minus 18. Out of 3a and 18 we do not have any variable common here, so we have to take a number which is 3 and 18. So out of 3 and 18 I will take I am allowed to take a common only 3 as a common. So I have taken 3 from here. Now a is left. Now minus minus gives you plus sign. Now just you have to check that in the table of 3 where you have 18, in the table of 3 we have 3 6 are 18. So now we have a plus 6 and a plus 6. To brackets are here which are same, so we can take these two brackets as a common. A plus 6, I have taken a plus 6 common. Now out of this term a plus 6 I have taken a common, I have left only a here. Now sign minus, so I have placed a minus sign. Out of this term I have taken a plus 6 as a common here, and 3 is left here, so I will write a minus 3 is equals to 0. Now they have become two factors. Now this factor will be equal to 0 and this factor will also equal to 0. So now I can write it a plus 6 equals to 0 and a minus 3 equals to 0. I can write my answer in these two ways. So a is equals to positive 6 transpose minus 6 and a minus 6 transpose positive 6. So I have a solution set where I have an answer a is minus 6 and a is 3. We have two answers, as I have told you in the starting of the question that we will have two answers of here a, just because of the power. We have a square power on the a. Thank you.